In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Clickbank account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect as the verification process begins. First, open your Clickbank account dashboard. This is the main overview page where you can see your account status, performance highlights, and important alerts. Make sure you're on the official Clickbank site, your browser is up to date, and your internet connection is stable. If your dashboard takes a moment to load, give it time. Large overview pages can be a bit slower on busy networks. Once you're on the dashboard, you're in the right place to start verification. Next, look for the Verify Account prompt. You'll typically find a clear button or banner on the dashboard labeled Verify Account. This is Clickbank's way of telling you there's a required checkpoint before certain features, like payouts and some account tools, become fully available. Go ahead and click Verify Account. If you don't see the prompt right away, try scrolling or refreshing the page. It's also possible your account has already been verified. In that case, the prompt may not appear, and you'll see a normal status without any alerts. After that, you'll see an introduction or confirmation screen that outlines what verification is about. Click Continue. This moves you into the guided verification flow. From here, Clickbank will take over with on-screen instructions tailored to your region and account type. You may notice brief explanations about identity confirmation, business details, or compliance checks. Just read each message carefully as you progress. If a page seems to hang while loading, give it a few seconds and avoid pressing back or refreshing to prevent losing your place. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Keep your browser pop-up blocker off for trusted sites so any verification windows can open, and avoid using private browsing modes that might interrupt embedded forms. If the Continue button appears inactive, check that the page has fully loaded, then try again. Should you ever encounter an unexpected error, note any on-screen reference message so support can help more quickly. That's all there is to it. Open your dashboard, click Verify Account, and then click Continue to begin the guided process. Follow the on-screen prompts at your own pace and let the system lead you through to completion. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Clickbank verification.